Welcome to another Laravel and PHP tutorial. In this video we will learn how we can integrate with WordPress and post articles and media on our WordPress website from our Laravel application. First we will need to go to WordPress and get a username and account password for our website, and we can do this in the WordPress admin panel. Now for our code. First we will get our base URL from the request because I have multiple WordPress websites, so I am choosing from them and I will show you the form later. Next we will make a new variable with the posts endpoint that we got from the WordPress documentation. After that we will get the website data from our database because I have saved every account password in my database. Then I will specify the username and password. I have set all the usernames with the George, so I will just put it into a variable, and I will put the account password in a variable also. Next we will get the file from the request using file helper function, and we will also its origin name and path using Laravel helper functions. Next we will need to upload the media and get the ID of the uploaded media to use later. To do so we will make a new variable called media response, and inside of it we will make a new HTTP request with headers. Inside the headers we will authorize the request using the username and password, and we will attach the file with it using file get contents and the file path and name. Then we will use post and put the endpoint inside of it, which is the base URL and the media endpoint, but it seems that we forgot to make a media endpoint variable, so let's do that and then continue with our flow. Next, after we have sent the request, we will make an if condition to make sure that the request has a status code of 201, which the code for the creation of a new media, and inside the if we will get the media ID from the media response, and let's echo that the media is uploaded. Next, let's make a new array and put all the post data inside of it. We will need title, content, status, which will be published, and featured media, which will have the media ID that we got from the response media. Next, we need to make the adding a new post request. To do so, we will use the same way that we created the media and uploaded it. So first we will make a new HTTP request with headers, and then we will add authorization to it, using the username and password. And then we will add content type application JSON to the header, and after that make a post request to the endpoint that we want and with the data needed for it, and then we will make some if conditions and else to display any errors in the requests to the API. We forgot to edit the endpoint to upload a post and we kept it media endpoint. We will just change the media endpoint to posts endpoint that we defined earlier, and that's it for sending requests to the WordPress API and uploading posts with media. This is the form that I am using, and it is just a simple form with the data needed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.